Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm with Associated Heating. Today we're going to be showing you how to clean ductless filters on a Mitsubishi system. You'll want to grab both the tabs on the right and left side of the unit, and you'll hear the front cover click. To remove the filters, you'll grab the tab, lift up and outward. Same thing on this side, grab the tab, lift up and outward. Be cautious of the coils behind the filters. They're fragile and very sharp. If you do notice some debris buildup on the coils, give us a call and we can give you a thorough cleaning. There are many options to cleaning the ductless filters. You can vacuum them, blow them out with CO2, or rinse them in the sink or outside at your hose bib. Today we're going to show you how to clean them off in the sink and then reinstall them. You'll want to use hot water. Now, washing from the back side of the filter is best to be able to push all the gunk out. Then you can give it a quick rinse on the front as well. We'll set it over here to air dry and do the same for this one. Back side first, and then a quick rinse on the front. As I mentioned earlier, you can let them air dry or you can use a cloth or paper towel to dry them off. Now that the filters are clean and dry, we can go ahead and reinstall them. To reinstall the filters, you'll slide them in the groove, push in, pull up on the tab, and drop down. Same thing on this side. Slide it into the groove, push in, pull up on the tab, and drop down. To close the lid, you'll want to push it down until you hear a click on both sides, as well as the center on some models. Thanks for watching our video today. If you have any questions or comments, write them below. Please like and subscribe for more tips. We'll see you soon.